What's up guys, Hilal again. A beautiful picture coming up by my uncle Tan Ramrajkar. Let's look at Julia package installation, and we go to Julia lang/packages. There's a repository out there for Julia packages. Try to browse that, look through. You could figure that out using the categories, try to search it, and also you would find the trending packages. So let's look at a package called as text analysis. We will try to install that and we will see the procedure how it goes. Okay, so here we are with the text analysis package. Try to open that, see if all is good, and you would find instructions about the installations. So let's get into a terminal, open up Julia, and let's get into the package manager. You just have to type a square ending bracket. You would land up there, and you could add the package. Let the installation complete. There will be dependencies that will be downloaded, installed. I will still continue the video so that you could look at how the download happens, all the checks are happening, and the installation happens. So I would leave it out here until it completes. Almost done with the installations. Here we are on the package manager again. If we type help out here, we could look at various commands what the package manager gives us. You could add packages, remove packages, check the statuses, and so on. You could go ahead and explore the commands out there. Let's look at the status of the packages, and here we are. That's about how we install the package. You could go back to the reference, to the documentation of the package, and get more information how it can be used. Thank you.